Welcome back to AI Odyssey Quest. Anticipation has reached a fever pitch as OpenAI confirms the arrival of ChatGPT-5, a powerful advancement that promises to alter our understanding of artificial intelligence. This new iteration not only refines previous capabilities but introduces a quantum leap in natural language processing that sets the stage for heightened creativity and superior problem-solving abilities. Imagine conversing seamlessly with a machine that mirrors human conversation, bridging the gap between technology and human interaction. This video dives deep into the game-changing features of ChatGPT-5, showing you what makes it an unparalleled tool for the modern world. As we unveil ChatGPT-5, we will explore its multifaceted implications across several industries. Education stands to benefit enormously as AI personalizes learning experiences, adapting teaching methods to fit individual student needs. In healthcare, the ability of AI to analyze vast amounts of data and produce actionable insights is on the verge of transforming patient care and operational efficiency. Meanwhile, the entertainment industry is set for a revolution as ChatGPT-5 creates immersive storytelling experiences. New groundbreaking features will include even more contextual understanding and responsiveness, establishing a new standard in AI interactivity that could reshape our expectations in technology. However, with the dawn of such sophisticated AI, ethical discussions take center stage. We must critically examine the potential societal impacts of ChatGPT-5. As machines grow more capable, vital questions arise. Will AI infringe upon jobs and replace human roles? How will our relationship with technology evolve in this new landscape? The power of ChatGPT-5 is gripping, but it carries responsibilities that we as a society must address. This video not only introduces you to the magnificent possibilities ahead, but also underscores the importance of thoughtful discourse surrounding the balance between innovation and ethics. By engaging with these questions, we will gain insight into why ChatGPT-5 is indeed a pivotal point in AI development, setting the course for humanity's technological future. Join us on this journey, where we unravel all the dimensions of ChatGPT-5 and prepare for the significant changes it heralds in communication and daily life. Subscribe to AI Odyssey Quest for more cutting-edge AI insights, tech trends, and marketing innovations. See you in the next Odyssey.